Hi, John Verway here. This is the first part of a series that I'm calling Better Living. So this will be part one. And through this series, it'll be a series of short videos that connected all together will give you all the life tools to create a better life. So what do we mean by a better life? Well, a better life means that you have the freedom and happiness. So freedom, that you're only selling your time to people and companies that are in alignment with your purpose in life. You're not just selling your time, tying up your whole week for something that's unfulfilling. Life has meaning and purpose, and by finding the meaning and purpose through this series of videos and using all the life tools that I provide with this, then you're able to create a better life. So first you have freedom, and then secondly, happiness. Whether it's purchased or free, happiness, there's a set of life tools. When we use them correctly, then we control everything about our life and we determine how long our happiness remains. So by using these life tools, by using this series of Better Living videos, then you'll be able to create a much better life and enjoy everything that you're working so hard for. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. For more information, follow through all the videos, and you may want to join us on the online workshops and on our 3 and 4 day travel experience workshops. So enjoy your day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again.